How are you all doing? Nick, NK Sports Plantar here. So, we've had a brilliant request from one of our patients about taping for plantar fasciitis. Now, as you all know, we've already got the video of me taping someone else's foot. However, what's different is going to be a video of me taping my own foot with the sort of rigid zinc oxide sports tape, not the flexible kinesio tape. So it's something you can watch and then you can really tape your foot nice and easily. So, if you have any allergies or reactions to zinc oxide, please don't use it. But apart from that, give it a go. Any issues, let us know, and good luck. We firstly want to prepare the anchor strip. This is the strip that the rest of the tape sticks to. This is going to go from the base of the first toe around to the base of the little toe. Once you have done this, tear the tape in half so you've got two long thin strips, and apply one at a time. The first from the base of the big toe, pulling it nice and tight around to the base of the second toe, and you may find there's a gap between the tape and the arch of the foot. Now rub this in. Now repeat this step, making sure that the tape is overlapped. Next, we are going to start taping on the bottom of the foot. The first two strips of tape are going to be pulled from the big toe, the inside of the foot, to the outside of the foot. So we're going to try and pull the foot inwards. Again, these are pulled nice and tight. And this is two strips. Remember to overlap each strip by around 50%. After you have done your first two strips, we are now going to pull the tape in the opposite direction, so going from outside of the foot to inside of the foot, and we're going to keep repeating this, overlapping by 50% until we get to the back of the foot. This can require anything from 2 to 5 strips, depending on the size of the foot. Personally, when taping my own foot, I do not tape all the way back to the heel, just because when trying to do it yourself, I find that the tape can ruck up and crease, and this just becomes uncomfortable to walk on. Once you have applied all of these strips on the bottom of the foot, we are going to use a length of tape, the same length as the anchor tape, which is going to be there just to help secure all of the current tape in place and to make sure that your socks and shoes do not start to pull the tape off. And again, this is from the outside of the foot, around the current tape, around the heel, and along the outside of the foot. Then the final strip is going to be applied across the bottom of the foot, going from the big toe to the little toe. Again, this is just to try and help prevent the socks and shoes from rucking it up. So there we have it. Good luck.